Let's make tea time carrot cake with wheat flour. It's perfect for a cozy afternoon with friends and family. First, take grated carrots. It's around half cup. Add 1/4 cup condensed milk in it. Then add half cup warm milk. This will make the carrots soft and enhance its flavor. In another bowl, take half a cup melted ghee and add 2/3 cup powdered sugar in it. Mix it well. Then add 1 1/2 cup wheat flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, and a pinch of salt. Sift all the ingredients. Then add some grated nutmeg. It's around 1/4 teaspoon. Add prepared carrot milk in it. Mix it well. Add vanilla extract for extra flavor. Pour the batter in a 6-inch greased cake pan. Always place parchment paper at the bottom of the cake pan. Sprinkle some nuts and cranberries. It's completely optional. Bake this cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 37 minutes on microwave convection mode. Our tea time carrot cake is ready. Let it cool completely. Thanks for watching.